welcome to After Hours. We got the SABURU turned into a tub.
Alright guys, you might remember this from a past video, but this is my SABURU, or my SABURU Ferrari if you look at the badges. If you saw the last video, you'd also know I have a boat horn on this thing. What's the next step with a boat horn? Turn it into the ocean. We're gonna make it a pool.
Turn it into the ocean.
It into the ocean.
Let's get chopping, huh?
Let's get some chop. Let's get to some chopping. The people that live in that house have never stayed for more than a year.
Because of you.
Yeah, like the house right next to my shop, no one has stayed in it for more than a year.
It's looking pretty empty right now.
We're chopping all this out, and then we're essentially just gonna build some sort of weird box in here and just put a tarp in there, fill it full of water. Cool, bam, done. Easy as that.
Easy as that, bro. Let's
Easy
go.
as that. Can't go to the ocean, bring the ocean to us.
What's up with the ocean, dude?
I gotta be the captain.
I don't know how I feel about us both repping Ensmo shirts right now.
You guys see the light surge? Yeah. It's still smoking. Woo! Alright, it's the next day. Me and Luke finished cutting everything out, kind of banged out some sharp areas and stuff to make sure that wasn't going to puncture the tarp. But still a whole lot of little stuff. So this will be the base layer. So we're going to lay down some cheap synthetic turf. Then we'll put in the tarp and essentially have an ocean. So got some scrap tarp I kind of forgot about.
Oh, I got you. I got you, brother.
Stuck.
I got you, brother.
Some scrap that is, eh?
Yeah, so Sam remembered he had this stuff.
Yeah.
And we lay that in. This works way better than this other stuff. It's actually comfortable. It's gonna make it soft.
Much nicer.
That is comfy.
Oh, I could sleep in here.
Right? It's actually so cozy.
Oh, yeah. I was worried.
Imagine that with some
But
water.
with this thick turf. Oh, this is gonna be comfy, man.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, we got the whole thing prepped for all the plastic tarp stuff. So now we're gonna get the plastic in there laid out, start filling with water.
You're missing one thing, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
The captain is here. Bringing the
Captain.
ocean to you.
Yes.
You don't trust who?
Somebody. I think we might die. I think you might.
Okay.
I actually don't think it's gonna take that long. The suspension to see what before and after is. We got 27 inches to the tub right there. Let's measure the other side.
What's the damage, dude?
From 27 to 23 and a quarter.
Dang, it's about 4 inches. That's a lot.
Yeah, that's
4
pretty
inches
crazy.
is.
4 inches is massive. How's it feel?
Oh, it's kind of chilly.
Yeah, I think we're good on level.
Oh yeah, it's gonna overflow if something else gets in here. Especially if it's a fat guy.
Who's he talking to?
Dude, just chilling in the sob, the grass. Oh, I'm peeing right now.
Are you really? Alright guys, hopefully this thing starts on its own power, but let's see if we can get this thing to the front.
I don't know if this is gonna move. This thing is riding dirty, dude.
Oh yeah, she started. Alright, she sounds beautiful.
Let's go for a ride, baby. Hey, welcome. Oh, dude, it's going on. Hey, Captain, where are we going?
We're going to the ocean.
No, we're losing so much water. The water's fine. Little show for the camera. Hey Captain, can we get an Oreo McFlurry, please?
Yeah, I think we can get you one. Can I just get one Oreo McFlurry? And then that'll be it. That's crazy. What the heck? What is happening? For you, sir?
Thank you.
I'm shining like a diamond in the rough. I really think I'm starting to hate like half the shit I used to love. Hit me, come back. Don't doubt my vocab. I know that. I'ma need an ice pack.
Hey, get on in.
Flying right by ya. Coming so we can wish that money couldn't buy ya. Puffing on that fire.
How many horses you got in the
We can fit everyone.
Probably Paul Tidell.
Yeah.
Is that a spaghetti top 10?
What's the best? Ian.
Guys, welcome to After Hours. We got the SABURU turned into a tub. Two dudes in a SABURU 5 feet apart. Allegedly.
That doesn't look like 5 feet to me.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Captain, hit it! I said hit it!
Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! If Sam ever asks you to get in the car, don't do it. Whatever. Get me out of here, dude.
I've been riding, rolling, drinking, smoking. That's something I do. I've been hiding all of my emotions. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been rolling around. I've been rolling around. That's something I do. I've been.
It honestly looks a lot funnier with just one dude in the back. It looks like you're chauffeuring Seth around. Yeah, you're a really weird rich dude and you're like, this is how I want to be taken around. You're just driving in circles.
I know.
Captain, thank you for your service.
Captain, my captain.
Can I get a salute?
Ahoy.
Thanks for watching.